Hello students, today we start a new example of a building estimate and this example calculated by long wall short wall method. So here the plan of the residential building shown in a figure calculate the quantity of the following item in a quantity sheet. So here seven item is calculated and one by one we discuss on it. So first item is the excavation in a foundation. So for the excavation in a foundation we required periphery wall and internal wall. See this cursor point, internal wall and periphery of the wall means outer wall. Compulsory foundation is required. And in a foundation, see this cross section part. In a cross section, step footing is provided. So here for a 0.3 wall thickness, 0.9 meter width of the excavation is required for each and every wall, below each and every wall. So first we calculated long wall length. So here long wall we considered this length, this wall is considered as a long wall, this wall is considered as a short wall 1, and this wall is considered as a short wall 2. Clear? So we start a long wall length L is equal to, so here total length of the wall is the summation of the rooms size like 5 plus, here see this 5 is a room length, then after 3 is a room length, so length is a 5 plus 3 plus wall thickness, plus here wall thickness second wall and third wall, so total 3 wall thickness, so plus 0.3 for a 3 times. Clear? And for the excavation of the wall from the corner point to corner point of the wall, another step footing is provided for the excavation. So here wall thickness is 0.3 and here width of the excavation foundation is a 0.9. So here difference of the 0.9 and 0.3 is a 0.6. So for the this side means left side portion, here 0.3 is extra excavation is required for a step footing, and here also 0.3 extra is required for a step footing. So also we add a 0.3 for a 2 times. Clear? So here total length of the wall we calculated is a 5 plus 3 plus 3. Now here we use the calculator. 5 plus 3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3. So its total length we calculated is a 9.5 meter. So right here 9.5 meter. So here total long wall is provided 1, 2 and 3. 3 long wall is provided. So right here number is a 3, length is a 9.5 and width of the excavation is a PCC width is a excavation width. So here 0.9 meter width for the excavation. Now depth of the excavation is from the ground level. See this cursor point from the section part, from the ground level to bottom of the excavation. So here 1.5 meter is already given in a cross section part as a excavation depth. So here right here 1.5, it's a total length of the total depth of the excavation. Now we calculated short wall length. So here short wall length, short wall 1. So here total number of the short wall 1 length is given 1, 2 and 3. 3 short wall is provided. So right here number is a 3 Now short wall length we calculated L is equal to, here room size 3.8 is given. Clear? Sorry, room size is 3.8 is given. So 3.8 for internal to internal part. So here some part of the 0.9 meter width of the excavation for this long wall. So 0.3 meter is already excavated. So here this portion is already excavated for a short wall. Clear? So only we calculated only this part. So here 3.8 minus 3.8 minus 0.3 minus 0.3 for both the side, because here 0.9 meter width of the excavation. So here for the 0.3 meter wall, 0.9 meter means 0.3 left side and 0.3 right side. So total 0.9 meter width of the excavation. So this part is already calculated or already excavated in this long wall. So here short wall 3.8 minus 0.3 minus 0.3 is equal to 3.2 meter is a total length. So right here 3.2 meter, it's a length of the short wall excavation. Now width of the wall is width of the excavation is a 0.9 meter already given in a figure. So right here 0.9 meter as a width, and then after depth of the excavation is already given in a section part. So right here 1.5. So we take from the section part. Now we take a short wall 2. Now short wall 2 length is equal to, so here total for short wall 1, 2, 3, and here in a veranda part foundation excavation is required. So here total 4. So right here 4. Then after length is a 3.5 meter minus 0.3 for this side left side and 0.3 for a right side. So right here 3.5 minus 0.3 minus 0.3. So is equal to 2.9 meter. It's a length. So 3.5 minus 0.3 minus 0.3. So it's a 2.9 meter length. So right here length is a 2.9 meter. Width of the excavation is a 0.9 already given, and height of the excavation is a 1.5 meter. Now total excavation of the foundation for a long wall is a multiplication of the 3 multiplied by 9.5 multiplied by 0.9 multiplied by 1.5. It's a 38.475 cubic meter. Similarly, also we calculated for the multiplication of these 4 values, we got a 12.96 cubic meter, and for a short wall 2 we multiply these 4 values, 4 multiplied by 2.9, 0.9 and 1.5. So we got answer is a 15.66. So now summation of the all the 3's values, we got a total answer is a 54.135 cubic meter is a total excavation in a foundation. Clear? Now after excavation PCC work is required. So here second thing is we find out PCC in a foundation work. So for a long wall we are already calculated length. So length is already calculated is a 9.5 meter. So 9.5 meter is already calculated in this first case, excavation for foundation. Similarly for a short wall, length is already calculated is a 3.2 meter. Similarly for a short wall 2.9 meter. So these 3 things is already calculated in an excavation in a foundation. So for second time we are not required to calculate. So directly we put the value. So here number of the long wall is a 3. So see my cursor point. So 1, 2 and 3. So these 3 is a number of the wall. Length is a 9.5. Here width of the pieces is a 0.9 meter. So here 0.9. So So here width of the PCC is a 0.9, so write here 0.9. Then after thickness of the PCC is given in a section part is a 0.3, so write here 0.3 is a thickness in the form of the meter. So total 7.695 we got answer from the multiplication of the four values. So we got answer is a 4.695 cubic meter. Then after we calculated short wall. So short wall, total number of the short wall 1 is given, 1, 2 and 3. So write here 3. Then after short wall length is already calculated, 3.2 meter. Width is already given in a section part is a 0.9 and thickness is given 0.3. So we got answer 2.592 cubic meter. It's a value of the short wall 1. Then after we calculated short wall 2. So here total number of the short wall 2 is 1, 2, 3 and here veranda part short wall is not done, but in excavation up to plinth level short wall is required. So here we calculated fourth number wall. So here counting right here 4 and length is we calculated 2.9 and width is already given in a section part is a 0.9 and thickness is given 0.3. So total multiplication of the values is a 3.132 cubic meter. Now summation of these 7.695, 2.592 and 3.132, its summation is a 10.827. Its a final value of the in the form of the cubic meter. It's a total PCC work in a foundation. Now we start a third item. Here third item is a brickwork in a foundation. So here brickwork in a foundation, here 4 steps in a foundation. So first step is a 0.6 meter width, second step is a 0.5 meter width and third step is a 0.4 meter width and fourth step is a 0.3 meter width. Up to we calculated up to plinth level. Clear? So we start step 1. So in a step 1, length of the wall is we directly calculated. So it's in a 0.9 meter width of the PCC work. Total length is a 9.5. So we write here 9.5 minus difference of the both the side of the offset is a 0.9 minus 0.6 is a 0.3 meter difference. So here 0.15 left side and 0.15 right side. So right here directly 0.15 minus 0.15. So 9.5 minus 0.3 means 0.15 plus 0.15. It's a 0.3. So we got answer is a 9.2 meter is a length of the step 1. So here for the length of the step 1, so here 3 long wall 1, 2 and 3. So right here long one number is a 3, length is a 9.2, width we write here 0.6. So 0.6 is a width, so write here 0.6 meter and thickness is already given is a 0.20. So 0.20 is a thickness. Already see this cursor point, 0.20 is given for a 0.6 meter width of the step 1. Now we calculated length of the step 2. So for the length of the step 2 we directly calculated 9.2 minus difference of the 0.6 and 0.5. So 0.6 and 0.5 difference is a 0.1. So right here directly 0.1. So length is a 9.1 meter. So here number of the wall is a 3. Right here 9.1. Width is a 0.5. So 0.5, why we write here 0.5? Because we calculated step 2 length. So 0.5 and then after thickness is given 0.2. So here 2.73 cubic meter is the answer. Then after we calculated length 3 for a step 3. means for a 0.4 meter width. So write here 9.1 minus difference of the 0.5 and 0.4, difference is a 0.1, so write here directly 0.1, its answer is a 9.0 meter. Clear? So your number of the wall is a 3, 9.0 and 0.4 meter width, and thickness is given in a section part is a 0.2. Now for a step 4 is a length is a 9.0 minus 0.1. So 0.1 we got a 0.4 minus 0.3 is the difference. So it's a 0.1 is equal to 8.9 meter. Now here total number of the wall is a 3, long wall is 3, and right here 8.9 meter length, and width is a 0.3, and height we calculated as a total 1.5 minus 0.3 minus 0.2 minus 0.2 minus 0.2, so we got a value of the this point, and plus 0.6 because we calculated up to plinth level. Clear? So we use the calculator. So from the calculator, by using the calculator, 1.5 minus 0.3 for a PCC work, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2 is a step 1, 2, 3. So minus 0.3 minus 0.2 minus 0.2 minus 0.2. So we got answer is a 0.6, and we got the value from the bottom portion of the this 0.2 third step, and a plus 0.6. So 0.6 plus 0.6 plus 0.6, we got answer is a 1.2. So height we put here 1.2 meter. So right here 1.2. So we got answer is a 9.612 cubic meter. Now we calculated short wall 1. So for the short wall 1, so here 1, 2 and 3 short wall is provided. So for the short wall 1, length is already calculated in a PCC work is a 3.2. So see this here, short wall length 1 is a we calculated 3.2. So right here for a length is a 3.2 plus here difference between the 0.9 plus difference between the 0.9 and 0.6 means first step and PCC work difference is a 0.3. So right here 3.2 plus 0.3. So answer we got a 3.5 meter. Its answer. So here number of the wall is a 3, length is a 3.5, width is a 0.6 because we calculated step 1. So right here 0.6, and height or thickness is given 0.2. Clear? Now we calculated for a step 2. So right here 3.5 for a first step. Then after difference between the 0.6 and 0.5, difference is a 0.1. So plus 0.1. So answer we got a 3.6 meter. Clear? So 3.6 meter is answered. So here right here number is a 3, length is a 3.6, width is a 0.5, and thickness is 0.2. Then after for a step 3, length is a 3.6 we put here, plus difference between the 0.6 and 0.5 is a difference is a 0.1. So right here 0.1 is equal to 3.7 meter. So right here 3, then after 3.7, then after 0.4, because we here for a third step is a 0.4 and thickness is 0.2. Now we calculated for a step 4 means 0.3 meter up to plinth level. Now length is equal to 3.7 plus 0.1 is equal to 3.8 meter. It's a length for the step 4. So your number is a 3.8, then after 0.3, and height from the third step to plinth level is a 1.2. we are already calculated here. We are already calculated 1.2. Then after we calculated short wall 2. Now in a short wall 2, here 4 short wall, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here first short wall is only up to plinth level, but we are calculated up to plinth level brickwork, so we included in a short wall 1, short wall 2. So here number is a 4 for all the step, 4 step. Then after length of the short wall 2 is a 3.5. it's a total length, sorry. So here short wall 2 length is a 2.9 is already we are calculated in a excavation for foundation. So right here 2.9 plus here difference between the 0.9 and 0.6 is a 0.3. So right here 0.3. So answer is a 2.9 plus 0.3. It's a 3.2 meter. Clear? So length we write here to 3.2. Width we are already given in a section part is a 0.6. so right here 0.6, and thickness is already given is a 0.20. so right here 0.20. Now we calculated for a step 2, length is a 3.2 plus difference between the 0.6 and 0.5. 0.5 is a step 2 width, so difference is a 0.6 and 0.5 is a 0.1. so right here 0.1 is equal to 3.3 meter. So right here length is a 3.3 meter, width is a 0.5 and thickness is a 0.2. Then after we calculated length 3, third step length means 0.4 meter width. So right here 3.3 plus 0.1. So 0.1 is the difference of the 0.5 and 0.4 is equal to 3.4 meter is a length. Now right here 3.4, then after width is 0.4 and thickness is a 0.2. Now we calculated length for a step 4. So here 3.4 plus difference between the 0.4 and 0.3 is a 0.1 is equal to 3.5 meter. So right here 3.5, difference is a 0.3 and height is a 1.2 from the third step to up to plinth level. So right here 1.2. So total quantity is a 5.04. Now summation of the all the values like 3 point from the long wall step 1, 2, 3, 4, then after short wall 1, 2, 3, 4 step, and then after short wall 2 step 1, 2, 3, 4. So summation of the all the values we got an answer is a 34.13. So it's a total quantity of the brickwork in a foundation up to plinth level. Clear? Then after we calculated fourth thing is a brickwork in a superstructure. So brickwork in a superstructure means above the plinth level we calculated the length. So for the long wall, this part 1, 2, 3. So total length of the long wall is we calculated from the external corner to external corner. So right here 0.3. So for this wall thickness, then after 3.8, sorry 3 meter. So here 3 meter we write here plus 3 plus 0.3 is the wall thickness plus 5 plus 0.3. So here answer, we got answer 0.3 plus 3 plus 0.3 plus 5 plus 0.3. So we got a total answer is a 8.9 meter length of the wall of the long wall in a superstructure. So right here 8.9 meter length. So here number of the wall is a 3, length is a 8.9 meter, width we are already given in a section part and also in a from the plan. Width is a 0.3 and height is given in a section part. So height of the wall is a summation of the 2.1 plus 0.12 plus 0.78. So here we calculated 2.1 plus 1.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.12 plus 0.78. So 2.1 plus 0.12 plus 0.78. So total answer we got a 3. So 3 meter is the height from the plinth level to slab level. So brickwork for a height is a 3 meter. Now we calculated short wall 1 length. So short wall 1 length, this part is already square part is already calculated in a long wall, and also this part is already calculated in a long wall too. So we calculated only inner to inner part. So here 3.8 meter it's a length of the wall. So right here 3.8 simply. Then after number of the short wall 1 is a 3. Right here 3.8 meter. Width of the wall is a 0.3. Height is a 3 meter. Then after short wall 2. So short wall 2 length is a 3.5 is a room size. So from this point to this point, length of the short wall 1, 2 and 3. So only we write here 3 because this portion in a veranda portion no any short wall is provided. Clear? So right here simply we write here in a short wall 2 length is a 3.5 meter. So here number of the wall is a 3 and then after 3.5 meter and width is a 0.3 and height is a 3 meter. Now next we calculated the parapet wall. So here in a section part parapet is a 0.3 meter thick and 0.9 meter height. So for the long side length is a external to external. So we are already calculated long side length is a 8.9 meter and short side wall is a summation of the external to external wall. So summation is a 0.3 plus 3.2. So it's a room size of 3.2. So right here 3.2. Then after 0.3 wall thickness. Then after 3.5. So from the 3.5 we got from the room size and wall thickness is a 0.3. So short wall is a 0.3 plus 3.2 plus 0.3 plus 3.5 plus 0.3 is equal to 0.3 plus 3.2 plus 0.3 plus 3.5 plus 0.3. So answer is a 7.6 meter. So your answer is a 7.6 meter. So here number of the long side is a 1 and 2 for the parapet wall. So right here 2. Then after length is a 8.9, width is a 0.3 we got from the section part is a parapet width and height is already given in a section part is a 0.9. So right here height is a 0.9. Then after for a short wall, so short wall 1 and 2, only border part parapet wall is provided, so 2 wall. Then after length is a 7.6, width is a 0.3, and then after height is a 0.9. So total value of the brickwork to be done in a superstructure is a summation of the all the long wall, short wall 1, short wall 2, all the values. We got a final answer is a 52.65. It's a final answer of the summation of the all the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's a final cubic meter answer is a 52.65 meter cube. Now here we calculated solid wall, but here no deduction of the door and window is given. So here deduction of the door and window compulsory required. So for the see this table, so in this table we are already given the number types of the door and window, then after numbers of the door and window is given, and size of the door and window is given. So one by one we calculated for the deduction. So here for the D1, so D1 door and window deduction, number of the door is given 5, so right here 5. Then after length is given 0.9, so right here 0.9. Width of the deduction of a door and window from the brickwork is a thickness of the brickwork is a 0.3, so deduction for the door 1 is also 0.3. So width is we put a 0.3, and height of the door is given in a table is a 2.1. So right here 2.1. Same for a window 1. So window 1, here number of the window 1 is given 3, so right here 3. Then after length is given for the window is a 1.5, so 1.5 is a length, width is a wall thickness width, and then after height is a 1.2. so already given in this table. From this table we put the value in this measurement set. Now W2 number of the W2 window is given 2, so right here 2. Then after length is given 1.2, so right here 1.2, 0.3 meter wall thickness. Then after height is a 1.2. Now for a window 3, number is the only 1, so here we write here 1 only. Length is a 2, so right here only 2.0, and then after width is a 1.2, sorry, width is a 0.3 is a wall thickness, and height is a 1.2. Then after ventilation, so here only single ventilation is provided, so right here 1. Width is a 0.6 by 0.45, so right here length is a 0.6, width is a 0.3, and height is a 0.45. So now deduction of the door and window is a summation of the all the values of 2.835, 1.62, 0.864, then after 0.72 and 0.081. Now we calculated deduction of the lintel. Now the deduction of lintel. So here about door and window, lintel is compulsory provided. So for the lintel, door length D1 is a 0.9, clear. So here we take an example like door D1, So here door D1 width is a 0.9, and on both the side lintel rest is a 15 centimeter and 15 centimeter on both the side is required, means 0.30 centimeter extra length of the lintel is included in a door length. So here door D1 lintel length L is equal to 0.9 meter door length, then after plus 0.15 left side plus 0.15 right side. So its a total length is a 1.2 meter. So 1.2 meter, it's the total length of the lintel for a door 1. So here number is right here, total door 1 lintel is a 5, then after length is a 1.2, we are already calculated here, and width of the lintel is the same width as a wall thickness. So here width is a 0.3, and thickness of the lintel is already given in a section part. So in a section part here 0.12 thickness is given, so right here 0.12 means 12 centimeter lintel thickness is provided. Similarly for a window 1 length is equal to window 1 length is a 1.5, so right here 1.5 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. So here 0.15 raise the lintel on both the side as a 15 centimeter. Clear? So is equal to 1.5 plus 0.3, so it's a 1.8 meter. It's a length of the W1. So here W1 total number of the window is a 3, length is a 1.8, then after width is a 0.3, and thickness is a 0.12. Now for a window 2 length is equal to, from the table window 2 length is a 1.2. So right here simple 1.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.15 is equal to 1.5 meter length. So here window 2, total number of the window 2 is 2 numbers. So how we get the answer key? Number of the window is 2. So W2 is right here and only here. So here number we put here 2. And the length is a 1.5 meter, width is a 0.3, and thickness is a 0.12. Similarly for a W3 length is equal to, window length 3 is a 2.0 plus 0.15 for a left side rest plus 0.15 right side rest. So total length is at 2.3 meter. So here window 3 length we got a 2.3, and here number of the window 3 is only 1. So right here 1, length is 2.3, width is 0.3, and thickness is 0.12. Now ventilation, only one ventilation. Then after length of the ventilation is equal to, ventilation is 0.6 plus 0.15 plus 0.15 both the side rest. So 0.9 meter, it's a total length is given. So right here 0.9, 0.3, 0.12. Clear? Now total deduction of the door and window and lintel we minus from the total brickwork. Sorry, here spelling mistake, brickwork. So here summation of the brickwork is a 52.65 minus 6.7536. So total final brickwork is a 45.890. So final brickwork is a 45.896 cubic meter. Now we calculated fifth item, RCC work in a slab, chhajja and lintel. So RCC work in a slab, so here only single slab is provided. So length of the RCC slab, so here length and width is already calculated. So here length of the long wall is length of the long side is 8.9 meter and width is 7.6. we are already calculated. So right here simple length is 8.9 meter and width is 7.6 and thickness of the slab is 0.12 is given in a section part. So this part, so right here 0.12. So here 8.1168 cubic meter. It's a final answer of the RCC work in a slab. Then after RCC work in a chhajja, so here three types of the window is provided, W1, W2 and W3. So here dotted line show the chhajja part. So here lintel length is the same length of the chhajja length. So here already we are already calculated lintel length. So in a lintel length, is a 1.8 meter for a W1, 1.5 meter for a W2 and 2.3 meter for a W3. So here we are already same calculation, 1.8 meter length, then after for a W2 1.5 meter length. So this thing is already calculated in a above portion and is equal to 2.3 meter length. So here W1, total number of the W1 window is a 3, W2 window is a 1 and W3 type of the window is a 1. Sorry, here W2 type, here 2 window is there, here 1 and 2, but in a veranda portion no any chhajja is required. So here we put only single window. So right here 1. Clear? Length is a 1.8. Width is already given in section part. So here 0.6 meter is a width is given. So right here 0.6 and thickness of the chhajja is a 0.10 is already given in a section part. So right here 0.10. Final same 1.5 here, 0.6 and 0.1. Same here 2.3, 0.6 and 0.1. So here multiplication of the all the four values, we got a answer 0.32, 0.09 and 0.138. So it's a summation and RCC work in a lintel. So lintel portion is already calculated. Lintel portion is already calculated here. So we deduct the lintel, but same portion we fill up the as a lintel work. So 6.7536, same answer we write here 6.3536 cubic meter. Clear? So total answer is a summation of the all the RCC work is a 15.022 cubic meter. Sorry, here 0.6336, here 0.6336 cubic meter. It's a lintel work. So total RCC work for the lintel, chhajja and slab is a 9.3024 cubic meter. Now 6th item we calculated 2 centimeter thick marble flooring. So marble is provided we are already marble is fixed in a room 1, room 2, then after veranda, kitchen, and we calculated door sill. So door sill D1, 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 D1 and D1. So for 5 door sill, so here we write 5. Now in a room size, room 1, here only single room is provided, so write here number 1. Then after length of the room is a 3.2 and width is a 5, so write here 3.2 and 5. Then after for a room 2, so 3.5 by 4.2, so write here only single room is given, room 2, 3.5 and 4.2. Same kitchen, only single kitchen, 3.8 by 3, so write here 1, 3.8 and write here 3. And for a veranda 2.3 meter wide, but here veranda length is not given, clear? So veranda length is a 3.5 from this portion and 0.3 wall thickness is included because in this portion marble is provided. So 2.3 meter wide plus by 3.8. So here veranda is single, 3.2 and 3.8 is a veranda width. Now then after door sill, so here number of the door 1 is a 5, so here door sill 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 door sill is there. Length of the door D1 is a 0.9, so write here 0.9 and width is a 0.3 as a wall thickness, so write here 0.3. So total door sill is a 1.35. So all the multiplication of these three value, we got answer is a 19 square meter, 14.7 square meter, 11.4 square meter, 12.16 square meter and 1.35 square meter. Now summation of all the values, we got a final answer. It's a total answer is a 58.61. 58.61 is a final square meter answer for a 2 centimeter thick marble work. Clear? Then after earthwork filling, 7th item we calculated earth filling in a plinth. So earth filling in a plinth, so here total height, here 2 centimeter, here 0.6 value is given from the ground level to plinth level, so 0.6, right here height, first we calculated height, so 0.6 minus 2 centimeter thick marble flooring, so minus 2 centimeter minus here 7.5 centimeter thick PCC work is provided, so convert into meter, so 2 centimeter is converted into meter like 0.02, then after minus 0.075 minus 0.25 thick centimeter bed is provided, so minus 0.25. So we got answer is a 0.48. So 0.48 height, we fill up the soil or earthwork filling is required. So for the room size, for the room 1, so room 1 length is a 3.8 and width is a 5 meter and height of the filling is a 0.48. So here write in a room 1 single 1 is given. Then after room 1 length is a 3.8, then after width is a 5, this room, and height of the earth filling is a 4.48, we are already calculated, so write here 0.48. Same for a room 2,